All right, Potato, can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay, please read. Oh, wait. Potato, please read the instruction. We are now in the movers tip. Okay, listening part 4. Go.
Listening part two for listening to one no. Then I see.
Again, read
All right.
properly. I cannot hear you. In listening part 4, do not read fast. Read slowly.
Listen part four in lesson and
Intonation.
can word like no, yes, I see. All right. And okay.
Hmm.
And often she help you to tell right
Choose the
answer.
right answers. Okay, so here we are going to do listening part 4. So you be careful with the intonation. That's how we pronounce the words. Okay, and keywords like no, yes, I see, all right, and okay can often help you choose the right answer. Since we are going to do listening, you have to listen carefully, okay? I want you to focus so that you'd be able to answer the following. Now here, Potato, I have here 4 questions. You're going to choose which one among the letters A, B, and C is the correct answer to each question, okay? Are you ready? Potato, are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Number 1, listen carefully.
19C. What's the matter? Listen and tick the box. 1. What's the matter with Ben?
You don't look well, Ben.
I know.
Have you got toothache again?
No, it isn't that.
What then? Have you got a headache?
No, it's my ear. I've got earache today.
Let's phone the doctor.
2.
Number 2.
Ready.
What was the matter with Kim today?
Okay, just tell me if you're ready. Okay. Number 2, ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Kim didn't come to school today.
Why not? Was she tired?
No,
Did she have a cold then?
no, she has a cough.
3.
Okay, number 3. Ready to do number 3?
Yes.
Okay, number 3. Here we go.
What's the matter with Dad?
Dad, what's the matter? Have you got stomach ache?
No, not today.
Does your back hurt?
No, but I've got a temperature, I think.
Oh dear.
Okay, which one there? Okay, number 4. Ready to do number 4? Ready? Okay.
4. Why did Mum go to hospital?
My mum had to go to hospital this morning.
Oh dear. Why? Did she hurt her leg?
No, it wasn't her leg or her arm.
What did she do?
She hurt her hand.
I see.
Okay, Potato, listen. Okay, listen first. Before we are going to check your answer, Potato, let's listen again one more time, okay? Why I ask you to listen again? It's because I want you to look at your answers carefully, okay? After you listen again, we are going to check your answers, if it's correct or not. So if you still want to change answer, you can still change, okay? If you want to, okay? That's why I want you to listen. So here we go, Potato. Let's review the audio, okay? Review. Here we go.
19C. What's the matter? Listen and tick the box. 1. What's the matter with Ben?
You don't look well, Ben.
I know.
Have you got toothache again?
No, it isn't that.
What then? Have you got a headache?
No, it's my ear. I've got earache today.
Let's phone the doctor.
2. What was the matter with Kim today?
Kim didn't come to school today.
Why not? Was she tired?
No,
Did she have a cold then?
no, she has a cough.
3. What's the matter with Dad?
Dad, what's the matter? Have you got stomach ache?
No, not today.
Does your back hurt?
No, but I've got a temperature, I think.
Oh dear.
4. Why did Mum go to hospital?
My mum had to go to hospital this morning.
Oh dear. Why? Did she hurt her leg?
No, it wasn't her leg or her arm.
What did she do?
She hurt her hand.
I see.
All right, so Potato, are you now ready to check your answer? Ready? Okay, you are ready. Number 1, what is the matter with Ben? The correct answer is very good. Letter B. Potato, what is letter B? What's letter B? It's okay, earache. Number 2. What was the matter with Kim today? Look at the picture. The correct answer is very good. Letter B. What happened to Kim, Potato? Kim got a, what kind of sickness is that? Okay, cough. Again, cough. All right, next. Next, number 3. What is the matter with Dad? Dad, it's not the stomach ache, but Dad got a temperature. Look at that. That's temperature, meaning he is sick. Okay, next, number 4. Why did Mom go to the hospital? What happened to Mom? Mom got a, very good. Her hand got hurt, okay? That's why the answer is letter A, all right? It's okay, Potato, you only got one mistake, all right? So careful next time. All right, here we go, Potato. How about let's do this? You are going to encircle the best answer to these questions, numbers 1 to 6, okay? 1 to 6. Okay, number 1, Potato, read question of Zoe to Tom. Number 1, go. Zoe, number 1, why? Potato, please read number 1. First question. Okay, why aren't you at school today? What's the answer? Okay, encircle the letter of the correct answer, Potato. Okay, potato. Why weren't you at school today? What's the answer? Is it A, that is today's lesson? B, it's in our building? Or C, I went to hospital? Which one is the correct answer? Encircle the letter.
Wendy.
Okay. Potato, encircle the letter. Okay, are you answering number 1 now?
Okay.
Okay, what's the answer number 1? Why weren't you? What letter? A, B, or C?
Okay.
Okay, which one? Why weren't you at school today? Is it A?
Wendy.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay, do you know how to encircle on the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Okay, go. You encircle the letter. Okay, why weren't you at school today? Your answer is it's in our building. Is that correct?
No.
Okay, go. Okay, next, number 2. Read number 2. Oh, not yet done.
Wendy.
Okay, go, go.
Wendy.
Okay.
No. No.
Okay. Number 2. It's okay now. It's okay. That's okay. Okay, your answer is letter C, right?
No. Wait.
Okay, done? Are you done? Okay, number 2. Okay. Okay, now,
No, wait me.
what are you doing?
Yeah.
Come on, let's still have number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ah, you're answering now. Okay, go.
No,
You
no,
want
no,
to,
no. No, no.
what happened?
What is it?
Okay, next, number 3.
No, no. Are you kidding
I was to answer.
on recorder? Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right, Potato, please read number 2 together with your answer. Go. What's the matter? Go. Please read.
Romancer.
Okay, your answer is I.
I hurt my foot.
Okay, I hurt my foot. Next, number 3. Read number 3. The
I
nurse
see.
was really nice. Was she? Okay, next, number 4. Please read 4.
I get thoroughly.
Mm. So, are you all right? Yes, don't worry. Next, number 5.
I am watching TV.
Okay.
Yes, I often to do that.
All right, so Potato, are you now ready to check your answers? Let's check. Okay, so here we go. Let's do number 1. Why weren't you at school today? The answer is letter C. Correct. Very good. Okay, because I went to hospital. Next, number 2. What was the matter? The correct answer here is letter B. Correct again. I hurt my foot. That's right. Number 3, Potato. The nurse was really nice. The correct answer is, was she? Correct. Was she? Next, number 4. So, are you all right? The answer is very good. It's letter A. Yes, don't worry. Oh, very good, Potato. You know the answer. You know the response. Next, number 5. What are you doing now? The answer is, I'm watching TV. Correct again. And let's do number 6. Can I come and see you? The answer is, oh, it's letter B. It's yes. That's a great idea. Do not say, yes, I often do that, because the question is, can I come and see you? Oh, can I come and see you? The best answer is yes. That's a great idea. Okay, Potato. Very good, because you were able to answer most of it, correct? Because very good, because you know how to respond. Now here, Potato, I have here Tom and Paul in the picture. Can you see the picture?
Yeah.
All right, so please read. Tom and Paul, please read.
Both
Both
of their
hurt.
body is not single different. For example, Tom is at home, but Paul is in a hospital. What other different thing can you see?
Okay, so look at here. I have here 2 persons who's doing 2 different things, okay? You're going to tell me the difference that you can see here in these pictures. For example, as you can see, Tom is at home while Paul is in the hospital. What else, Potato? What are the other things that's different?
Tom is in the house, but Paul is in the hospital.
Okay, what else? The hospital place.
Tom is
Tom's, you say Tom's leg got hurt again.
Tom's leg got hurt, but Paul got hurt.
Very good. What else? Tell me more. Ito.
Tom is in a bed in a hospital, but Tom is in the sofa in the house.
Very good. Paul is lying on the bed in the hospital while Paul is on the chair or on the sofa in their house. What else? Very good. There's still more.
Paul is sleeping, but Tom is
Okay. Tom. All right. Paul is sleeping while Tom is awake. You can see the eyes open. What else?
open.
Hmm.
Wow.
Look at on the table. What's the difference on the table?
The table in the house is
There is a
leaf.
plants. Plants.
Plant.
Hmm.
But
Ah, very good. A book and a, what's that?
That.
Okay, as you can see, look at their tables. In Tom's table, there is a plant, while in Paul's table, there is a glass and the book. Very good, Potato, because you were able to tell the differences that we have here in these two pictures. Great job. Okay, now here I have your question, Potato. Look at Paul. What is the matter with him? What's the matter with Paul? Paul got a, what happened to Paul?
Paul is
Paul hurt his
hurt in
arm. Very good. Oh, very good. Now here, why do you think he had that one? Why do you think Paul got hurt his arm?
I don't know.
You don't know. Or maybe Paul fell down. Okay, that's why maybe he accidentally fell and then hit his arm on something hard. That's why there is a problem. Now here, what is Paul dreaming about? Since Paul is sleeping, what do you think is Paul's dream?
But he sleep.
He's dreaming about maybe he's okay, right? Maybe he's dreaming, oh, tomorrow I'll be okay and I will go out and play with my friends. All right. Now here, Potato. What does he want to do when he's okay again? If you are Paul Potato, what will you do so that you will be okay? If you will hurt your arm, Potato, what will you do so that you'll be okay? Huh? What will you do? Are you going to rest? Are you going to rest so that you'll be okay or not?
Okay.
Yeah, or rest. You have to rest in the hospital. Go to the hospital. Follow what the doctor says so that you will be okay. All right. So if you will accidentally hurt yourself or if you have problem with yourself or you will get sick, you have to go to the hospital and have the doctor check up, okay? So that Potato will be okay. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so that would be all for today, Potato. Goodbye, Potato. Goodbye for now. We finished already Unit
Potato.
19. Yeah, very good because we were able to finish Unit 19. I hope that you learned in today's class. Goodbye and good night, Potato. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.